Welcome back then.
Woo!
Let's let him charge whilst we load up.
Okay.
So he's become a removals van and taking headliner out there. We picked up a door and a window the other day for when we get the new place and build the shed, and we've got contracts to sign and take back for a potential exchange date, and hopefully it's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. But that means that we need storage. So today we're going to load some stuff up, go and find a storage unit and get a load of junk in there. But it does mean there's going to be no van build.
This video reminds me of Dire Straits video.
Money for nothing.
Yeah. TV.
Just need a headband.
I was just telling them it was all your crap.
This isn't all my crap. This is all my crap. All my ski gear.
Well, you won't be going skiing for a while, will you, love?
Oh, probably not this year now. And my skis and my goggles and my helmet are all at Kev's in Austria, so these are just all the ski clothes and bits and bobs. Anyway, we've just been to the storage place and we've got a storage container, so we're going around now. He's just going to drive us around to ours and then we can start unloading and get ahead of the game when it comes to this move. Thankfully.
That's the plan anyway, isn't it?
That's the plan. Yeah, we're in the exact. Freya's come for the drive. Anybody want a washing machine? They're portable folding washing machines for Vanlife. There'll be a link in the description below. Because we've got a lot of them.
So Wolfie is going to be the new workhorse for now. No van build, just working. And he won't start.
Got him working. My battery.
It's a good job you brought it with you.
First run done then as a working van for us.
It is.
Many more. It's definitely going to have to be a pause on the van build, isn't it, until we've got this sorted out.
Aye. Really lucky where we live.
He's loaded up again, ready to go. Just waiting on Maximus now to get home because he'll want to come. Are we in the van?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Don't know.
We're going to unload all this stuff in the back.
Yes.
We're going to be busy, aren't we?
Yes, we are busy.
Trying to
Michelle said it'd be full by tomorrow. It might be. Squeeze me. It's time to get back in the front. It's time to go. We've got to lock up. We've got to lock up and you've got to sit with the seatbelt on. Just Freya lie down there. Shut that side door so Freya can get in the back. Be careful because the carpet's there. Good girl, lie down. Ah, nice sky tonight. Second load in. I've got to lock up yet.
Wise old owl.
You're a wise old owl, are you?
Santa looks like Santa looks like wise old owl.
Michelle's distraught because I've said to her she can't have all the wardrobe space that she used to have. So my pile takes up about that much of the box of things that were taken to the charity shop, and hers takes up the rest, and it's a big box that. So solicitors today, so we're just off to drop the contracts off, sign them, get them in, and then we've got to drop some clothes at the charity shop, and then it's back for more packing, and hopefully we'll get a date very soon because we need to get moved now before Christmas. Maximus wants his tree up, doesn't he?
He does.
He's let's turn that fan off a minute. There we go. Yeah,
Usually it's up by now.
Oh yeah, crikey. Normally the 20th of November is his date, and he wants his tree up on the 20th. It doesn't have to be decorated. He just likes the tree to be up with the lights on, and then all the decorations can start going on, getting built up. And our house at Christmas looks something like this. Or did. So that's the contracts all signed and done, and it's on to the next job now. Tip run now. Get rid of a load of crap. First one of many, I'm sure, but luckily we only live, well, at the minute we only live
About a minute's drive, if that.
yeah, probably 2 minutes with all the traffic today, but it's going to be an exciting video this week. Another day coming to an end, and a load more stuff packed up now. I'm ready to go down to the unit.
Ooh, where are we?
Back to the lockup. Oh yeah. Coming along nicely. Morning, Captain. Ooh. Come on then. Go on, go and see. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. Phew, she's coming behind you. Ooh. Phew. Hey. Friday night. Ooh, fun time. Sorting out all the photography stuff. What are you doing on this exciting Friday night?
I am bubble wrapping all our picture frames.
Ooh, bubble wrapping picture frames.
Whilst having a vodka.
Ooh.
That's what I'm doing.
It's starting to look bare though, isn't it? The more we take down.
But it just seems like there's so much more there. The more you get done, the more it just keeps coming.
Well, out here looks pretty good now.
I've forgotten how funny Danny DeVito is. Do you remember when he did that bit in Friends as the stripper?
Did someone call for the long arm of the law?
I can't actually believe how apt this film is. Deck the halls. They've moved into a neighbourhood. We're moving into a neighbourhood. Only Graham's no Danny DeVito. He's 6'5", and I'm definitely not the super hot wife. Maybe 20 years ago. But yeah, the resemblance ends there. That we're moving house at Christmas time.
Another load. Ready to go. What's that face? Right, is everything shut and locked and done? Oh.
Chores.
Right. We're off.
We're off again. Putting the windows.
Steamy windows. Oh, look at that round.
Come on, the bus.
Wait for yourself. Never be honest with your heart, my dear.
Fault but mine. It's your horse on the line. Have you set up camp there? Hey? You funny boy.
It's definitely looking fuller now, isn't it? There's lots of room though.
There is.
I don't know where I've put the lights. Anyway.
Come on then, Dolly.
So as the sun sets and we make our way back home on Saturday afternoon after just dropping that load off, that's going to be about it for this week, isn't it? If I can cobble a video together out of what we've done. It's been a massively busy week for us, but whether it'll make a good video or not remains to be seen.
Let us know in the comments.
Definitely what you thought. Do you want to say bye, Maximus?
Goodbye.
That's so cute. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. Oh, they're out doing a shoot. What's it? Anyway, thanks very much for watching, guys. Please No, it's all in boxes in a container unit.
It is. Oh, look at the horse.
Oh, they're all having the dinner as the sun goes down.
Oh, yeah, there's two over there as well.
Yeah, two there, one over there. The little one in the field over there. Oh, I'll let the bike come.
Yeah, no much.
So we'll sign off. We'll say thanks very much for watching.
Yeah, thank you.